Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to create Yahoo account. So I will show the step-by-step process of creating Yahoo account. If you want to learn, keep watching the video till the end. Let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Play Store. Then you have to search the Yahoo app. From here you have to install the app by clicking install. After completing the installation, you have to click on open. Then you will get the sign up option. You have to click on sign up. Then you have to fill all of the required data. After providing all information, you have to click on continue. Then this save option will become. You have to save. Text me a verification code. So you have to click on text me a verification code to this mail, to this phone. One verification code will come to your phone. This is the verification code. Click on the done. Okay, in this way you can create your Yahoo account. So after creating your account, you can customize according to your requirements. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.